I say young, I'm not exaggerating. Squats, he squats for 45 minutes straight with no rest. Flat benches to 180 pounds. Let's have a big Las Vegas welcome for the amazing Richard Sandrick.
My first impressions was I thought this was trick photography. I thought this was a midget. I knew in all my years that I'd been involved in the fitness and bodybuilding industry that if I had never seen anything like this, nobody had ever seen anything like this.
You see this guy when he's 6 years old and, you know, he's ripped and he's jumping and dancing around and he's got a body like a mini Arnold. You know, your first impression is, how does a 6-year-old get into that kind of shape?
Having seen footage of the boy, it would be highly unlikely that anyone could achieve that type of physique without artificial enhancement.
His body was just like a pro bodybuilder, and for his age, to have an 8-pack, not even just a 6-pack, you know, is totally incredible.
If I could speak to the boy's mother, I would ask her the question if she really fully did the research to understand what she's doing to this child.